I love North Carolina. Do you guys live here now?
No.
We live in Charlotte.
Oh, nice.
We live in a parsonage. Do you know what a parsonage is?
I don't.
He's a minister,
Oh,
and
nice.
so
I have to watch my mouth?
No.
no.
There's no judging over here.
There's no judging here.
Good. Did you guys win money here? Inherit money?
Inherited.
My mom passed away recently and left us a small inheritance. And one thing that she's told us to do with the inheritance is don't spend this on bills. Spend it on family. Because family was really important to her. Her dad needed a place to live, and he basically lived a life of service. He's a 20-year military vet from Air Force, and all he ever wanted to do was live near water.
Oh.
And so we were like, we can make this happen.
Right.
Yeah.
This is wonderful.
And the legacy that one day that we'll pass this on to our kids.
And his brother lives here, so we were always counting the days, like, when are we going back to the beach? When are we going back to the beach? And so,
You know, you want to make sure that your dad is comfortable, but then you want to make sure that when you guys are retired, that you guys are comfortable.
and also we're going to come visit him often.
Yeah, of
and he's
course.
hoping to have lots of visitors.
But first, I got to figure out what kind of house you guys want.
Sure.
3 bedrooms-ish,
Ish.
2 bathrooms. I don't want anything cookie cutter, something unique,
Okay.
little quirky.
Little quirky.
We just want a place close to the beach for sure.
Beach, yeah.
Yeah.
You're going on the beach or just close to the beach?
Walkable to the beach would be great.
But we still haven't talked about money.
Our top end is probably at $700,000, but it's got to be done, move-in ready, everything.
The quirkiness already added?
Already
That'd
done.
be nice. And we'll also have to rent it by my dad because he's going to live in it.
Okay. Is he
give him
anything
all the
like
details.
you? Is he quirky? That's a yes. On that note, give me some good luck hugs. Hi. New neighborhood, new house.
Yes.
Nice.
You guys are looking for your legacy home, the dream one.
Yes.
We are.
How's it feel?
Great.
Now, if you notice that these are all duplexes,
Yes.
we didn't talk about that.
And we're completely open to it.
I love it, because you wanted a little bit more space.
Yes.
So I found you some more space.
We'll
Sounds
take
great.
it.
Bluewater Bay has 3 bedrooms. Love that.
Yeah.
3.5 bathrooms.
Very nice.
Just under 1,350 square feet.
Okay.
The colors are very bright in there, and I know that you'll love that.
I like bright.
And the price is
That's what I was
still,
waiting on.
I mean, we're still way, way below your budget at $549,000.
Very good.
Shall we do this?
I'm excited.
Yes,
Let's go
please.
get John into his legacy.
Let's do it. I like this too.
So again, covered porch, a little larger, lots of space up here. I do hammocks. I mean, come on.
Oh, hammock for
like
sure.
our hanging swings or both.
Yep. I love a hanging swing too.
Me too. All right, my cutie pies.
Woo.
Very nice.
Do you like the color? It's insane, right?
Nice and bright. It's
crazy.
Love it.
Take a seat.
Very nice.
Let's sit down.
This is what I was thinking about.
Oh.
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
Plenty of room for family to gather,
Yeah.
to have meals. It makes me think of my mom, too, because my mom would gravitate towards a place like this with the colors.
And she's a great cook.
Well, let's go look in these cupboards, see if they got
Yes,
any
please.
food for you. Kitchen time, where no utilitarian food will be cooked. Please.
Probably a lot will be cooked. Look at this color. You can't see it up here. Oh, different color up.
Yep.
Different color down.
Yep.
I like that.
Obviously, the space is not as updated and as fresh as Sandpiper Place. Is that like a downer for you guys?
I think when you're at the beach, you don't care.
I agree. Listen, these are older cabinets, and so why not have fun with them?
Think of it like a canvas for you. Each one of those are canvases.
That's what I'm doing with my house. Every kitchen cabinet's different.
No.
Yeah.
Quirk is only limited by your imagination, and this ground floor sherbet-colored bedroom would be perfect for Katie's dad. It comes with its own bathroom.
Generally, this would be the main bedroom, but every single bedroom comes with its own bathroom.
Oh, that's
I know. So 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms up here. Here's the smallest of the rooms.
That's great.
So the colors up here are much more calm.
Yeah. Well, when you go into bed, you want it that way.
I love the door to the deck. Oh, good, it's blocked off.
That's perfect.
Love it.
Look,
privacy.
privacy.
This is a great piece to the house.
Yeah.
I mean, I would want maybe that to be my room.
Note to self, never choose your bedroom before seeing them all.
So I don't think you want to give up this main bedroom because it's kind of everything.
Nope, I want this one.
Yep.
yes.
This one's mine.
Yeah.
This is mine.
I love the accent wall.
Yeah.
Is that what you call it?
Look at you.
Accent wall.
Look at you.
I've been hanging out with her too long.
He's learning from you, I think.
The bathroom is by far the biggest. And of course, there's a private balcony looking over the front of the house. But there's a ton of space outside for the whole extended family.
Great pad out here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great for bonfires, cookouts, anything.
We could go to the beach if we wanted to, or we could stay here and
Yeah. all
roast
of it.
marshmallows.
Oh my gosh, so fun.
Everything.
So obviously your eyes were lighting up a little bit more. Want to keep looking at shared properties?
Yeah.
You're seeing you're getting a little bit more for your money.
I like that.
Ready for some food?
Yeah, always. I'm gonna check out the shower on the way by.
Go for it. Here you go. Who knew Carolina beaches had so much to offer? It's got a very casual vibe, and most beach towns are very casual, and I love that. Coneflower Cove is the first house I'm showing in Curie Beach. It is another townhome, and the price is pretty fantastic at $530,000. Even though we're coming at $170,000 under their original budget, that $700,000 includes furniture, updates, quirkiness, the move, everything. And the quirk factor is not gonna be cheap. How are you guys doing?
Fabulous.
Oh, great.
What did you think of the drive-in here to Curie Beach?
Very nice.
What do you think of the house?
Love it. I like the color.
Very pretty.
All right, you guys
I
want
like
to hear about Coneflower Cove. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It's our largest home at 1,900 square feet.
Wow.
Ooh.
And I know that your $700,000 was all in, and
All
that's
in.
moving, that's everything.
Yes.
So we kept your price nice and low.
Thank you.
$530,000.
Really?
I know. Let's go check out the house, you guys. So we have a 1-car garage here, which is lovely.
Oh yeah, that's the first garage we've seen.
Oh, yeah.
Really nice. It's always handy. All right, here we go. Come on in, guys.
Wow.
We're gonna go right into the living area because this is where all the fun starts.
Wow. Huge.
And how many square feet?
1,900.
Feel it's bigger.
Before we tackled this, come on, utilitarian cook. Show us what you're not gonna cook.
Oh, I love the color.
Color's great, very beachy.
Yeah, very nice.
Well, I like that there's a lot of counter space.
This is perfect for my dad though, because if he wants a new appliance, he'll get it.
Oh, we guys just let him live here and let him redo everything, right?
Well, yes.
Smart. Let's go into the dining room and the living area. We have our fireplace here.
That's nice.
What would you do to the fireplace? Because that's definitely not your gig.
Well, no matter what, there's gonna have to be a TV over it because my
Amen.
dad is all about
I
that.
approve.
I have an idea.
Well, something
You
like,
have an idea?
I want to hear your idea.
I would rip out the mantle. I would love to get a big, thick piece of driftwood.
Love.
Something that's iconic or draws attention.
Yeah, I love it. Well, why not draw attention to not just the mantle, but the entire wall, the fireplace.
Oh, yes.
If you're gonna have these high ceilings, they draw attention to them.
Oh, I love that.
It's gonna cost a little bit of money.
That's what I also was thinking that too.
But you know what?
But-
$170,000 on a budget? I don't want to hear it. Let's go check out the main bedroom. All right, guys. Here is our first floor main bedroom.
Perfect. All the light coming in.
And there's an exit to the screen-in porch, which is wonderful.
Yep.
Place for his TV.
TV. Oh, yeah.
There,
All kinds of places.
There.
John will have his own bathroom too, making this a perfectly private retreat when his family visits. They'll be upstairs in one of 2 really great-sized rooms that share a full bathroom. It needs a tiny bit of work to finish off the renovation. But seriously, who cares when this is your backyard?
We have an outdoor deck, but
Yeah.
look at this.
That
Look
is
at this
awesome.
Beautiful view.
I love the palm trees right there. And look how close the water is.
He's got this, he's got the bay, and he's got the ocean all at his fingertips.
Wow.
You have a lot to think about, not only for you, but for your dad. I would invite you to have a bite to eat.
Would you join us?
Nope. You guys have a lot to think.
Oh.
You guys have a lot of thinking to do. I'm going to the beach. Tan
Darn
my-
it.
You ready for this?
I am. I can't wait to tell you.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I see you got things. Thank you. What you got in the bag?
I have to tell you about it later.
It's a secret.
You just asked for something a little bigger. You're gonna have a whole family over here, so like, why not keep looking? Bluewater Bay. You guys you liked it.
Yep. The bathrooms were the best.
And a bathroom for every bedroom plus another half.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's
hard
really
to beat.
attractive.
That's definitely hard to beat.
And I love the backyard. The trees and the shade, very inviting for family to come and visit.
And then I took you over to Curie Beach, and that's where we saw Coneflower Cove.
Yes.
Right. And that was the only house that didn't have steps. Yeah.
It did have a little more work that we needed to do, but not a lot.
Yeah.
Really like the pond out back.
The neighborhood feel.
Because it is an actual neighborhood with 2 pools and clubhouses and tennis courts. But the price was pretty inexpensive, you know, it's $530,000.
I was pretty happy about that.
I knew you'd be happy. We didn't even come close to 6s.
Thank you.
So, lots of time to think about it.
Yes.
Where are we going?
Well, we talked to my dad.
Okay.
We decided Coneflower Cove.
I knew that was going to be it. What a great house. Wonderful new space to spread out and create wonderful memories.
Yes.
Thank you so much for everything you've done.